Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 8 captive screws on the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and unlatch it. Remove the screw and lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system. Tighten the screw and relatch the drive. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.